Alright, I'm about to attempt to replace this fuel filter on the 2012 CBR 250R. 1,000 miles on it. The reason why I'm doing this is because the vehicle has not started in a while, and the fuel is just sat for almost a year inside the vehicle, so I know a few things inside of that filter are just terrible, contaminated. So what you want to do is just make sure to replace these lines exactly the way you take them off. I'm trying to be real gentle here, so I don't give you guys too much of a shaky camera. Sometimes these lines been on there for so long that you gotta pry them off a little bit. Arrow facing this way, that way. Fuel comes out, goes back in. Fuel lines don't look bad. All right. Then we gotta get this filter out of here. So we'll just take this off like this. Our old filter. It's our old fuel filter. Old filter. Pull it out like that. As you see. Old fuel filter shows the arrow. Old, new. Clean this cover off, shine this thing up a little bit, get all that white deposit that was on it off, and then we're gonna put our new filter inside of here. So just let that sit. Like that. So we took the old filter out, replaced it with a new one. Like I said, these are our lines. Fuel filters going this way. Next thing we'll do is we'll take our 10mm socket here. 10. And we'll loosen up each one of these bolts. Alright, got us a 10mm here. We want to break these bolts. Alright, we have a fuel unit. Pretty rusted out. So we're going to go ahead and try to disassemble this. Unit here. Let's see what we got. Black, red, black, pink. Round. Okay, I just finished putting a new fuel filter on. New fuel filter. New fuel pump in. New wiring going from the connector to the pump. I'll show you guys how that looks. This is the bottom of the pump right there. So that's new wiring running from there all the way around to the connector here. We're just gonna put our unit back inside of the tank. Like so. Everything's marked and lined up, so I know exactly which way I'm going. As you can see, markings, so I know exactly which way everything goes back together. Fuel filter is going this way. Okay, we have markings here, red marker, a little bit of marking on that side there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's marking red on that rubber there. All right, so everything's lined up. We're gonna put this thing back down, tighten it up. All right, so I'll put a little bit of anti-seize on each one of these. So the next time I come back to do the job again, these bolts should come off easily with minimum resistance, and keep them from rusting on from all the cold weather and things like that. You don't need a lot of anti-seize, just a little bit to work its way into the threads. hand tight. Going all the way down, that way you know you're not stripping any threads. So you're gonna just twist them just like that. And then you tighten them up according to specs. Have them all screwed down like so, all 6. You go back and get your tool here. And you take your wrench and you tighten each one snug. Not your socket. Use a wrench to tighten each one. We have our 10mm wrench. All right, let me get to it. All right, next thing I'll be doing is reinstalling the tank. This line goes here like this. Make sure it's all right tight because this fuel's under a lot of pressure, so. You don't got it on there tight. Right off. Okay. Next thing I want to do after that. Reinstall this here. So this goes just like this. It's a special piece.
Fuel filter. New fuel pump. Gotta put a little bit more fuel in there.